What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we have crucial points. First of all, we had one range of support at $782.59. Second one was right here, the previous bottom of the third wave, and it is the $752.48. And I've told you that if this asset breaks this range of support, we will invalidate this third wave as our motive wave, because we cannot have the retracement that is deeper than the bottom of initial movement, and this means we invalidated this count as our motive wave, and this means we don't need this tool right now. And on top of that, let me show you that we broke even this previous bottom. It is the lowest point since basically since the end of August 2021, and we broke it to the downside. We have only 1 week below the range of support, but still technically we have this breakout, and it is not the good sign. But also we have some very good signs from the technical standpoint, and I will show you them in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason of this sell-off, and why Tesla lost about 39% of its value from its swing high on April the 4th? And let me show you first of all this article. We are on usnews.com, and this article was published on May the 12th, and it's titled "Tesla and Twitter shares drop as Elon Musk's legal issue grow." And let me quote you this. Shares of Tesla and Twitter have tumbled this week as investors deal with the fallout and potential legal issues surrounding Tesla CEO Elon Musk and his $44 billion bid to buy the social media platform. Along with malaise in the broader markets, investors have had to weigh legal troubles for Musk, as well as the possibility that his acquisition of Twitter could be a distraction from running the world's most valuable automaker. The Wall Street Journal reported Wednesday that US securities regulators are investigating Musk's tardy disclosure that he had bought more than 5% of Twitter shares. Musk now owns more than 9% of the San Francisco company. The SEC wouldn't comment, and a message was left for Musk's lawyer. A lawsuit filed last month by some Twitter shareholders alleges that Musk's stake hit 5% on March 14th. So he should have filed forms with the SEC disclosing that by March 24th. Instead, Musk didn't make the required disclosure until April 4th, hurting less wealthy investors who sold Twitter stock in nearly 2 weeks before he disclosed his stake and drove up the price, the lawsuit alleges. And I have to say that Musk did it intentionally in order to hold the price of Twitter in the affordable levels, and this might be a problem for him. On top of that, we still have some headwinds from the recent lawsuit related to his tweet in 2018 that he will take Tesla private at $420. Definitely this lawsuit also might bring a lot of headwinds to Tesla stock, but this news doesn't relate it to the company itself, and that's why we have to diversify lawsuit against Elon Musk and lawsuit against Tesla. So let's continue with this news. On May the 12th, we have this article on Yahoo Finance, and it says Tesla stock hits 8-month low as Shanghai Gigafactory adds drag. And let me quote you this. Tesla stock briefly dipped below the $700 level on Thursday, touching an 8-month low amid an overall market rout and concerns of production stalls at the electric vehicles Shanghai plant. Shares of electric vehicle maker have been under pressure recently after Reuters report of a temporary production halt for some vehicles at the company's Gigafactory in China because of problems securing parts. The plant had already gone through delays about 3 weeks in April due to COVID lockdowns in Shanghai. The stock has also been under pressure after Bitcoin sharply declined this week. Tesla bought some of the cryptocurrency to hold on its balance sheet last year. And I have to say that the main concern is definitely the Shanghai plant, but this is another one. The most recent one and quite new, and this is also might be not so good for Tesla. But let me show you some good news, and we are on electric.com, and this article was published also on May the 12th, and it says Elon Musk is looking to finance Twitter acquisition without loans backed by Tesla shares as price falls. And let me quote you this. Elon Musk is reportedly looking to secure more equity for the acquisition of Twitter in order to proceed without billions of dollars worth of loans backed by Tesla shares. It comes as Tesla's share price has fallen too significantly. Over the last few weeks, he revealed several partners proving over $8 billion in equity, including Tesla board member and Oracle founder Larry Ellison, providing $1 billion. With the new funding, Musk reduced the number of loans backed by his Tesla shares to $6.25 billion. Now, Musk is apparently looking to raise enough capital through other investors to avoid Tesla-backed loans completely, according to Bloomberg. Elon Musk is in talks to raise enough equity and preferred financing for his proposed buyout of Twitter Incorporated to eliminate the need of any margin loan linked to his Tesla shares, according to people with knowledge of the matter. The billionaire's advisors, led by Morgan Stanley, have begun soliciting interest from potential investors for as much as $6 billion in preferred equity financing, the people said, asking not to be named, discussing a private transaction. And definitely this may be the good news related to Tesla, because if Elon Musk buys the Twitter without any loans with the Tesla shares as a collateral, definitely it will be a good sign for Tesla stocks, because we won't have bearish pressure on Tesla because of potential margin call in lower levels for Tesla. And definitely it is a good sign. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, previously right here I've told you that if this asset breaks the previous bottom, we will invalidate this count, and most likely we will hit the lower range of support, and it is the $691.16. We hit it. And I have to say that because of this volume, I think we have very good price action, and we have only one kiss of this level, and we bounced back. And we also have this range of $752 as the range of resistance. And for now, we have two major key points, and it is quite tight range. We have about 10%, not more than 10% in between these two levels. So, what should we expect next? I think because of this level, we might have this range of $691 as the range of support. And probably if we won't break it to the downside, and if we won't stay below this range, definitely this might be a double bottom pattern. And this pattern is a very strong bullish pattern, and from this range we might go higher. But for now, we have to take a closer look on the price action, and we have two major key points. First of all, if we break the range of about $752, and we will have the candle that will be opened and closed above this range, definitely we will be more bullish, especially if the volume will continue to grow. Otherwise, if we will break the range of support of $691 and we will have the candle that will be opened and closed below this range on a higher time frames, definitely with the higher volume, definitely we will see a longer consolidation phase, and probably we might hit lower targets. But so far we have decent chances to go higher from this range. And if you want to invest in this asset, just remember that this asset has temporary headwinds from its Shanghai plant, and that is why we might see some longer consolidation phase. But still, if you want to invest in this asset, in my opinion, you can accumulate at the current ranges. But if you want to have more confirmation as a swing trader, just wait for the breakout, and we have to break this range of resistance in order to confirm next leg to the upside. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born around rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.